The first step is to take your deck of cards and split it down the middle. Like this. Once you've got your cards split down the middle, make sure that both cards are facing the same way. Now what you want to do is make a triangle, sort of, kind of like a triangle, with your cards. The way to do this is to keep the cards bent with your index finger and slowly let go with your thumb. Move your thumb closer to your hand. You're going to do that with this hand too. So you put it in a triangle and slowly move your thumb to the back of the card deck. And how to do the bridge is you want to hold it like this with your thumbs at the top. If you let go of your thumbs, it's just going to do this. So make sure your thumbs are holding the cards in place. You bend the cards into a bridge-like structure with your thumbs holding this steady. You release your bottom fingers and they'll fall right into place. I'm going to do that one more time in a more faster motion. Split the deck of cards, bend them, release pressure, up into the bridge, put your fingers down, and let the cards fall into place.
Subscribe to our channel.